All right, so here's the 97. This is a second generation Dodge diesel 12 valve Cummins 2500. It is lifted. It's been like that for years. It's got pretty new rock crushers from race lines on it, 17s. Tires are decent. The only big issue with this truck is the overdrive went out, so we'll talk about that. So it's got no overdrive. So either another transmission or get this one rebuilt, fix the overdrive. But it's pretty damn clean. And the frame is completely rust-free. It was a Nevada truck when I bought it. I believe it was Vegas. But I got a giant binder on it. A lot of paperwork. I'll go back to when I bought it. I think I bought it in like 2017 or something like that. Anyways, we'll do a rolling shot.